Yeah, save ourselves the MP. 35. 34. They always regen exactly the amount of HP they have. Or 23 is the maximum. But if they have less HP than that, they can restore less. Oh, Nash is running low on MP. Let's give him some too. I don't even know where this takes me. Oh! Oh, crappy. What's that? Alex! It's horrible! I thought the White Dragon was dead! Alex! What has Galleon done to him? I'm sure he's done this to all the dragons! Galleon is drawing upon the power of the dragons to fuel the Grindery. He's sucking the life out of them. It's unbearable to even look at this. What a sick little bastard! I can't believe what I'm seeing! Galleon has turned the dragons born to protect Althena against her. How can we possibly find an evil drawing in this kind of power? How can we? Don't you mean how can't we? You've all seen the horrors that Galleon has inflicted on our world. Viewing this latest atrocity should only strengthen your resolve to defeat him. You're right, Nash, for once. We have to stop this cretin, and we have to stop him now. Let's go, Alex! Interesting. So, okay, I'm going the right way. I have a feeling. Who knows what's gonna waits us at the end. Haha, insane shield. I have a feeling that is for someone. Mr. Perhaps it is for the man himself, Kyle. His insane shield should be better than what he was using. The dusky shield. Oops. Excuse me. Just burping all over the place. I don't know why. Oh boy. Look, I think we're gonna go to the top. What did happen that previous time? Oh, music has changed. What is this, Alex? It looks like a park. In the heart of the Grindery, it doesn't make any sense. It has to be a trap, Kyle, doesn't it? We can't talk to the fairies here. Oh, Luna, huh? Yes, there is a very nice girl called Luna being held in the palace. I love flowers, plants, and trees. I care for them here to please Emperor Galleon. Galleon likes flowers? The magic emperor who's trying to take over the world? I wonder what's really going on here. Oh, nice, thank goodness. A spring here. And we can use... It's a goddess statue here. Why would you have a goddess statue, Mr. Galleon? This makes no sense. Okay. I'm going to save here. And I guess we'll see what happens. My Secret Garden is the name of it. What is this? I'll need that, thanks. Emperor Galleon likes pixies, so he had the Vile Tribe capture us for his garden. It's beautiful and peaceful here, but it's still a prison. That's right, no matter how beautiful Galleon makes it here, you're still prisoners. I didn't even know we have pixies in this world. I'm so happy Emperor Galleon invited you to join us here. Are you really that far off in La La Land? Reality check! He wants to kill us! Zenobia is very cruel. We all chafe at her wicked manner. But Galleon must see something in her. He seems to enjoy her company. As evil as Galleon has become, that's not really saying much. Oh, the master didn't mention that we would have new visitors today. I tend to this garden for him. He finds nothing more beautiful than a towering tree or a fragrant flower. I remember Galleon went giving me flowers when I was just a little girl. The Galleon you knew as a child is dead, Mia. He's the magic emperor now. Have you come to beg Galleon to spare your miserable lives? That's a good attitude. It won't be long until the magic emperor rules the world, with the Grindery as its magnificent centerpiece. We aren't here to beg for anything. We're here to bring this monstrosity crashing down around Galleon's ugly mug. Why do you deny the inevitable? Master Galleon is restoring order to a world of chaos. What your heinous leader considers chaos, I consider freedom. And I'll fight to the death to keep it. Okay, they say the same thing? Usually there's only two things. The master seems to be working very hard lately. I can see it in his face. I'm proud that he relaxes and rejuvenates himself by walking in this garden. Okay, he just says the same thing. Okay. Phaecia has always been kind, but we haven't seen her much recently. And when she was here, she seemed to be absorbed in her thoughts. She helped us in Canaan. We thought all humans were evil until we met Galleon. Now we know that there are kind ones too. Galleon's kind. He's one of the most compassionate souls I have ever met. Okay, whatever you say. Clearly he's not compassionate. One of the nicest girls Galleon captured was called Luna. Oh, I guess. Galleon treats all the pixies here like prizes in his personal trophy case. Coming from Vane, he should know better than to trample others like this. I keep out of Emperor Galleon's private affairs, so I don't know what's happening outside the garden. But Emperor Galleon seems to be under a huge amount of stress lately. I think his lust for power has enslaved his soul. I think you've hit upon the sad truth. Okay. I'm going to save here, and we're going to attempt to go inside. And I'm going to save here. I'm going to do equipping right now, so that people have a chance to survive. Okay, we need the cure conditions one. Oops. There's a anti-conditions would be really nice to have. I think we'll give it to you. Wait. No. You need to give... She needs to wear this at all times. Increases range. Yeah, she's not really going to attack all that much. I'm not too worried about her. She's really not... I'm not really going to use her as an attacker here. One-time auto-resurrect. I don't know. Oh. Holy water and... Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Why don't you distribute one or two of these to these guys? She's good. We'll distribute these to you. Maybe I should give one to you. I guess you can give this to other people. Alright, hope for the best. Alright, here goes. Or it's not. Or it's just the rest of the dungeon. Hello, Zelo. I'm probably going to, I'm probably not actually going to stay longer because I have to go somewhere tomorrow, and I can't wake up that late. So unfortunately, I'm probably going to cut it off in about 10 or 15 minutes from now. Alright, let's go. This is certainly a different place. Okay, I guess we're going to fight this thing. Galleon is kind. Oh, Archmage. He's a different... I have a feeling that physical attacks are the best way to take down this guy. These guys. Oops. Hi, or... That's probably the easiest way to kill them. 40. That's about average. Okay, I guess shooting him in the face will work. Healing ring. Okay, so now that I'm here, I'm gonna save. Probably not on 2. I'll save on the 4, Tabin's Tower. Don't think we're gonna go back there. Grindery quarters. Wah!